that I just woke up. It is 9:20, which is earlier. Which is earlier than usual. But I'm gonna have breakfast. I'm gonna have this, which is matcha pudding with almond milk and blueberries. If I'm still hungry after the matcha pudding, I'm just gonna have some kiwi, and I'll show you that afterwards. I finished my matcha pudding, and honestly, I'm not a breakfast person, so I just feel like throwing up. And I always drink about a glass of water for breakfast. I drink it after because usually I drink a glass of water with my meal, or like more towards before my meal. It's just because usually I'm dehydrated. Like, I hate drinking water in small amounts over the whole day to equal 6 liters. Like, that's just so much work. So I drink water when I'm thirsty, and then I drink water when I go to the gym. I drink a cup of water when I take my pills or vitamins. And then I also... But we don't finish this water. And also, I will leave all the recipes down below and any names of food that I eat down below. Alright, so I'm still here in my pajamas. It is about to be 1 o'clock, and I'm in my pajamas because I'm gonna do a video, and then I'm going to take a shower and all that. I am gonna change my shirt and kind of just do my hair real quick. But I'm about to eat my lunch. I didn't eat a snack because I was working on the computer and I didn't feel that hungry. For lunch, I usually have some kind of soup or something light. This is just what works for me. Usually I go to the gym around like 4:30. So if I eat it now, I don't really get sick at the gym. I also woke up a little earlier today, so usually I have lunch around 2 o'clock. But if I eat it 2 hours before the gym, I'm like good to go. I don't have any nausea. And then I'm also hydrated, like I get to pee before I go. If that makes sense. I don't know if you're one of those people, but I'm that person that has to use the restroom before I leave, because if I don't, I'm gonna have to do it in a public place, and that's not okay for me. So then I don't drink water until I leave the house. I sound like a maniac. So I'm gonna show you the soup of the day, which is a pickle soup. It's like fit. It was literally called pickle fit. The recipe is in Polish, but it will be linked down below if you want to translate it. This is just what it is. And inside there is pickles, carrots, potatoes, and some kind of grain that I forgot how to say in English. But it's very thick. It's more like stew than soup. So let's have some. It's like really sour. The first bite is so sour, but then it just gets better. Does anybody else dance when they eat? It's so good. Then I'm gonna see you in case I eat a snack or for dinner. But we're probably gonna have a snack around like 4 p.m. Alright, we're focused. So, I just filmed the video, and this is my snack. I did get hungry. But like I said, before each time I eat, I gotta drink a glass of water. So, and it's not, I don't know if I said this before, but it's not to lose weight, although I heard that it helps. It's just so that I get the amount of water that I need every day, since I freaking hate drinking water. So we have, this cup was full. This is just how much I drank since I was gone. Since you've been gone. If the water really bothers me, I just try to eat and drink. But today I'm feeling kind of thirsty. I don't know why, but sometimes I just feel more thirsty or more dehydrated than other days. So yeah. I'm gonna eat these and watch TV. I think one thing I will say before I go is I think organic farm, like little market stand fruits taste way sweeter than normal pesticide fruits. They do. Maybe it's just me because I'm freaking out that I haven't eaten sugar in so long. Pesto stuffed tomato with some broccoli, and usually I have another side here, but I kind of ran out, so this is what I'm eating. If this isn't enough, I'll eat some more filling or some broccoli, but it should be enough. I'm not that hungry. I'm just eating in advance because I won't be home for a long time. It's the end of the day and it's 10 p.m. I haven't been hungry, but I just want to snack on a few of these. Don't mind my dishwasher. I ate like, I don't know, 3 or 4 and I'm fine. It's a kiwi put into 4, so I eat about 3 to 4 kiwis. I mean, it really depends, but that's it. And then I have my glass of water. I already drank a little bit. That is my whole day and exactly what I ate. I didn't eat nothing behind the scenes. I didn't drink nothing behind the scenes. This is legit what like my usual day looks like. If I do cheat, it's like very minimal. I kind of fake myself into thinking that cheating is like a bagel with cashew cream. And if I avoid sugar all month, I reward myself with a Red Bull. Sometimes I don't even really want it, but it's just the idea that I'm getting a reward. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching my video of what I eat in the whole day. I hope you liked it. I hope you now are satisfied with knowing how I go about my vegan diet. And yeah, vegan diet or vegan way of living, whichever you consider it. And that'll be all. Deuces.